Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you unboxing and first look of a Nerf flywheel operated dart gun. So my youngest nephew wanted a Nerf gun as a present. So since as the great uncle that I am, I went out, did my research, search around what is good, what is bad, and came up with this item that I purchased for him. So basically, what I would like to talk about before I open the item is that since 2012, Nerf has a really great series. It's called the Elite series or Elite and Strike series, which is a sort of modular system, and probably the best known and the most praised blaster in this series was the Strife. Since today we have 2022 and the Strife is no longer available. I don't know what happens. They had a couple of re-releases. The last one was, if I'm not mistaken, around 2018, as I could find some informations, but since then they have not produced this model. Maybe you can buy some on eBay or aftermarket sites, but usually Nerf does currently promote the Elite 2.0, which in my opinion are not that great, have different operations and the trigger and so on. So I went with the Fortnite series. This is a collaboration with the game developers, and also since my nephew had a Springer sniper from them, I thought this will be a really great product. And it's basically a Strife reskin. So you have the same operations. You have your main trigger. The secondary trigger is the ref trigger, because this is flywheel operated. So you have two flywheels right here. This is battery operated. It will spin up the wheels and will shoot the dart out there. So it is not operated by air pressure like the Springers are. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so the blaster itself has a really nice format. As you can see, it will fit also a large hand. Let me take it out to put the batteries in and I will right back. Okay, so the batteries are in. It will need 4 AA batteries that are not included in the packaging. Also, there was a little bit of wobble with the battery, so I put just a piece of paper beneath the plate, the plastic plate and the battery, so now there is hardly no wobble there. Okay, so the basic functions will be also in the papers included, but here is the magazine release. It will take all the standard N-Strike Elite magazines. So this is just a cosmetic piece added to it. You can buy, this is a 6 dart magazine. There's also 12, 15 and maybe 18, I'm not sure. Also a couple of market products. If you like, you can choose to purchase them. Okay, how this operates? So basically you have to pull the ref trigger. It will spin up those two flywheels right here, and then you can shoot. This is a mechanically operated electronic semi trigger, so you can it will shoot one at a time, and it is disengaged when not operated. to maybe show you a little bit inside. So there inside are those flywheels, and by pushing the trigger you will engage the trigger and it will push out one dart. So let me show you how it functions. You will be provided in the packaging only with 6 darts, since it is a magazine capacity of 6. So we'll put it right there. This cannot be inserted another way, so only one way fits because of the lines. So you cannot put it inside the wrong way, and it also will show you how to insert the. So, like I mentioned, this is a semi-automatic gun, so you will have to engage the ref trigger, and it will shoot out the dart. And since it has only 6 darts capacity, I strongly suggest you to buy yourself either more magazines or just a larger capacity. It shoots around 68 FPS, so nothing that would damage any kind of furniture or so on. So you can be really also, the original darts have a soft silicone tip. They are made out of EVA foam. If you are buying yourself these darts the aftermarket, so not original Nerf darts, please be very careful, because most of them will have a hard plastic tip, and they will not have these holes here, which are used for in some springers. In some springers, they are used to reduce the airflow, so that they should not that hard. But of course, safety first. If you are buying any kind of this automatic or full automatic, because you have also different series of blasters. They are fully automatic, so you cannot select fire. You will only have a full automatic trigger. Then be very careful. Buy yourself or your child eye protection, or if possible not shoot at each other's faces. That is the best way how to mitigate any kind of injuries. That is probably self-explanatory. But overall, if you are in the market for a really nice blaster, you don't need or don't want to accessorize it with any kind of barrel extensions or buttstocks, then this SMG-E Fortnite collaboration is something that will fit the bill really nicely. Regarding the pricing, yes, these are not cheap toys. Here in Slovakia, in Europe, this costs for around 29.99, so around 30 euros. It depends on when are you buying it from, if you have any discounts on, but usually these go for around $31.99 in the US. That also depends on what additional costs they are involved, shipping and so on. So search around, maybe find some discounts if you would like. Just the quick reference, in 2018 when the Strife was launched, it did cost around $20. So yeah, we have 4 years after that, and the price increase is really high. But it is what it is. If you have any questions, obviously I'm not an expert in Nerf guns. I did watch a lot of videos, did search what is good, what is bad. If you're looking at the current Elite 2.0 series, I can only tell you that the trigger grouping or the trigger mechanism is very similar, but the magazine release was was switched from underneath to this position right here, opposite the trigger, and some of the blasters have a really stiff operation. Some of them have really soft operation. So I did try some of them out, and I had really problems to push it to disengage the magazine. I did see in some videos that even a slight touch of the finger, the magazine did drop out. So yeah, that is not good if you are want to use the gun whatsoever. So neither the stiff, neither the soft spring is good. In my opinion, the stripe reskin with this magazine release here is very nice. Yeah, please keep in mind, if you giving this as a child, he will probably not have the wide operational reach as an adult, but then if he's grabbing the handle, he can push and disengage. It depends on your style. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, big thumbs up to you. Thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my hobbies. And in this case, this was the first Nerf dart gun that I have been releasing here on my channel. Okay, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.